Every year people say they're going to finally grow their business. They say they're going to win, make the moves, dominate their market. But then Instagram eats up their time with posting, commenting, chasing engagement, and they end up exhausted, broke, and still stuck at the starting line. Well, not anymore. Because there's a new tool out there called Instiq, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. It turns any Instagram account into a fully automated business. Not another course, not another guru promise. A real asset, a real machine, working for you every single day, even when you're not. All the posting, done. The engagement, handled. The growth, automatic. The part that used to take hours, now it takes seconds. People have been begging for a solution like this for years because they are tired of burning out, losing money on ads, and praying the algorithm notices them. Instiq fixes that instantly. And here's what I like. It doesn't matter if you're new, busy, overwhelmed, or working a full-time job. With Instiq, even beginners get to play like pros because the hard work is finally off your plate. And the best part, you even get free bonuses, powerful ones. Just click the link in my bio before they disappear. They don't last long. You want a real business, you want automation that actually works. You want to stop scrolling and start earning? Then this is your moment. To know everything about Instiq, visit theproductoasis.com and search Instiq, or simply follow the link in the description right below this video.